The combined exports of South Korea's 5 automotive manufacturing companies surpassed $10 billion during the first 2 months of the year, according to the Korea Automobile Manufacturers Association.
한국자동차모빌리티산업협회에 따르면 올해 1, 2월 국내 5개의 완성차 업체의 총 수출액이 100억 달러를 넘어선 것으로 집계됐습니다. Another export story.
Yeah, we're starting off with some business news again. I'm interested here. The Korea Automobile Manufacturers Association, did they change their name in Korean to the 한국자동차모빌리티산업협회? Because this is the trend in the industry to move away from just automobiles.
Right.
We don't call them car shows anymore. They're more mobility shows, and that goes
That's a
along
good
the
point.
trend. So
Yeah.
maybe we can look up on that. But if we look into the numbers, combined exports of Korean automobiles or mobility vehicles reached over $10 billion from January to February, and that's a 9.4% year-on-year growth compared to last year. In terms of units, that's almost 500,000 units, up 4.8%, and not surprisingly, Hyundai Motor comprised the vast majority of that, followed by Kia.
Now, when we say automotive, let's look at combined first of all.
Okay.
Combined exports.
Yeah, when something is combined, it's the aggregate. When you combine all the units of a whole and the total value comes out. Just to combine means to merge, to link, or to unite. But here, combined exports would mean all the total aggregate number.
aggregate라는 단어도 같이 알아두면 좋겠네요. 누적이라는 뜻이 있습니다. 총, 결합된 이런 의미겠죠. 그래서 the combined exports입니다. 이 5개의 완성차 업체들의 수출액을 다 합쳐봤더니 the combined exports가 100억 달러를 넘어섰더라. 이 자동차 제조업체라는 의미로 automotive manufacturing companies 했습니다.
That's just a very difficult way of saying car builders or car companies, right?
Exactly.
These are companies that make, build, produce self-propelled vehicles or machines. So it's expanding, not just to include just cars, but you could talk about electric vehicles, anything from scooters, anything that moves.
Right.
When you talk about mobility. And more automobile companies, I talked about car shows or auto shows, exhibitions. A lot of them are now exhibiting at events like CES in Las Vegas. These are traditionally electronic shows, but if you look in a car now, there are more electronic parts and components in a car rather than mechanical components now. So these cars are really high tech.
네, right? Oh, definitely are. 그렇습니다. 다시 한번 읽어볼게요. The combined exports of South Korea's 5 automotive manufacturing companies surpassed $10 billion during the first 2 months of the year, according to the Korea Automobile Manufacturers Association.